Hey guys, what's up? This is maverickdelmundo back. So for today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng panibagong episode ng #mavcook since medyo matagal-tagal na rin akong tinakagawa ng mga cooking videos. So ngayon guys, gagawa tayo ng cheesy mango graham cake. And itong dessert na to is perfect for all occasions. And kung gusto nyo lang ng madali ang dessert kapag nasa bahay kayo, ito, perfect ng dessert na to. And magugustuhan din to ng mga cheese lover or graham fanatic dyan. So, huwag na natin patagalin guys. Ituturo ko na sa inyo kung paano mo ginagawa yung version ko ng mango graham cake. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Let's start with the ingredients needed. First, you'll need 6 pieces of ripe mangoes, 2 to 3 packs of honey graham crackers, 1 pack of crushed graham crackers, cheese, and 2 cans of Alaska crema asada, but for the alternative, you can also use all-purpose cream and condensed milk. Now, get your mangoes and then slice them separately. Just make sure na huwag isama yung buto and kunin nyo lang yung pulp or yung pisngi ng mangga. Get 1 large mixing bowl and by using a scraper or pangkayod, scrape the mango pulp completely until na matira na lang yung skin. Then, just repeat the same procedure with the other mangoes. With the can opener, open now your crema asada, then put it together with the scraped mangoes. To add a little flavor, grate some of your cheese to the mixture. Then using a spoon, mix all the ingredients together. Get now a container where you want to put and make your mango graham cake. To start with the layering, the bottom layer must be the mixture. Spread the mixture into the container until it's fully covered. Now start putting your graham crackers while following the shape of your container. Slice or cut small pieces of graham crackers to fill the spaces. But for the small uneven spaces, sprinkle some crushed graham crackers to fill the remaining spaces. Then just repeat the same process by alternating the mixture and graham crackers until filling the container completely. And just remember na dapat walang matirang space in every layer. And guys, always remember na kapag may tiyaga, may graham cake. And for the last and the uppermost layer, spread the remaining mixture. And to make it cheesier and more pleasing, grate some cheese and sprinkle some crushed graham crackers on top. And we're finally done. Refrigerate your cheesy mango graham cake for a few hours until it's ready to be served.
So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked this video for today. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below some topics that you want me to do in my next videos. And lastly, subscribe to my channel to be part of the #MaveloSpam and click the notification bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. So see you guys in my next videos. Bye guys!